Hi, this is Andrew from PineRidge Ford. Today I'm going to show you how to book a service appointment from our mobile app, the Ford Pass. Now, first thing you do, you open your Ford Pass app and then you choose your vehicle, and then you click on the map icon. You'll have to allow location services, and then you're going to look for dealers. Click on that. That pulls up PineRidge Ford, and you'll see here it says online service booking. You click on your online service booking button there, and then you click schedule service. And it shows you a list of your vehicles that are listed in your Ford Pass app. And today I'm going to book for my Ford Explorer, schedule service. And then for some reason it always makes me do this part twice. And it takes you directly into PineRidge Ford's online booking system. So it'll take you there. It's going to load in your information about your vehicle, all the information about the dealership. There it is, it's populated, it shows that, shows approximate kilometers. Then you click on next, and I'm going to book it in the quick lane. And so my options are I can mount 4 tires, I can do a maintenance service, I can do a flat repair. I'm going to book mine in for mounting winter tires. So mount 4 tires. Then I'm going to click next, and I have the option of I'll drop off my vehicle or it's a waiter. So I'm going to drop mine off, and I'm going to be an early bird. So the keys are going to go in the drop box before they get here. I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to look at these. They show actual times where there's an available time to get my vehicle in for that service. So now I'm going to look in here, and I can see I don't want to get up first thing in the morning, even though I'm going to do early drop up. I'm going to book mine for 9 a.m. on Tuesday. I'm going to click next. Shows my name, shows my email address, and then I book appointment. And my appointment's been confirmed. And that's how you book an appointment using our online booking service through the Ford Pass app.